Boo! Hey guys, so I'm making some awesome fake blood for It Took 2 Weeks, and that's what you guys are gonna see for behind the scenes, and also for Inktober. So the type of fake blood I'm gonna be making is edible. I got this from WikiHow, so thank you WikiHow for helping me make something so delightful. Alright, so the first step is place the water and flour in the saucepan. So here's the water. Okay. Flour, we need to add 1 tablespoon, so that tablespoon, they're gonna open that, of flour. Good enough. We have a special mixer. I gotta find it. Oh, there it is. So I bought a Robo Whisk. It's super nice. I'll show you guys. Alright, so here's the whisk, and look how nice that is. The next step is to try to dissolve it, which I think I did. Then heat the mixture. Turn the heat on high for it to boil. Okay. Take this. We're gonna put it here. Sorry, it's so dark. And we're gonna go to this thing. Put it on high because that's the first, which is here. So now we're gonna try and boil that. It's cooking.
Say hello, Zee. Hello. Hello.
So now I'm supposed to let it simmer for 30 minutes. So you guys will see some time lapses of it simmering.
Are you excited we're making fake blood? Fake blood?
So you guys are probably wondering about the makeup. I pretty much found this really cool like clown costume thing online for Halloween makeup, and I decided, you know, in the spirit of Halloween, I will do some makeup. Yeah, this is what it looks like without glasses. It looks like it's turning out pretty well. So hopefully it makes the very good blood. So if you notice these really awesome Halloween clothes I'm sporting, those are thanks to Carrie Caro, so thank you so much for giving those to actually my sister, who then gave them to me. They're really, really nice, and they're very Halloween-y, and they go perfect with the makeup. So thank you very much. Alright, so the next part of the instructions say to turn off the heat and let it cool. So I'm assuming I have to let it cool all the way, or at least a pretty good portion where it can be mixable, so like warm. So I don't know how long to let something cool for, so I gave it a couple minutes. It seems less hot. So I'm going to start putting in the red and black dye, or food coloring. The instructions say I need to put in 2 tablespoons of red coloring, and I'm pretty sure this is 2 tablespoons altogether. It looks real chunky and red, which is gross but awesome. So then we're going to add some black now. So I'm just going to pour a couple drops of black in there. So 1, 2, I'm just gonna, this is supposed to be real gross, and we'll put more in as needed. as you guys can see, it's real black and grody. So yeah, it's gonna be real great black fake blood. Yeah. Alright guys, this is our black blood. They actually did a really good job, and I think the red and the black mixing together really makes it realistic. So this will be used later on, and you can see it's a little bit staining, especially the red. The black not so much, but the red stains a lot. But that is the creation of some fake black blood DIY. Now you guys know it also works out real nice, and you'll see how it turns up, and it took 2 weeks real soon. Otherwise, I will be watching you guys with mirthful repose, and I'll